I've got the roundup of some of the best Black Friday deals out there, and I'm pretty confident some of these prices are some of the lowest that you will find out there, period. Now, for those of you that just want to stick around for the very beginning and not to see the whole thing, this spreadsheet that you're looking at will be linked down in the description below. Feel free to just peruse the links as you desire. Just be sure that you take note of the coupon codes over here in the far right column, because you must apply those if you want to get some of these insane prices. Some of these codes stack on top of sale prices. I'm also going to have links down in the description below to all of the individual videos that feature these products, because all of these products are products I've had hands-on experience with, and you can get more in-depth information and testing from the videos linked down below. Let's jump right into it. This is the DJI Power 1000, and notice it's $419 with a $40 off coupon. Love that. Super good price for this unit. The thing that I love most about this unit is how absolutely silent it runs. It's insane. Check out my videos linked below for further details and testing on this. Next, we have the EcoFlow Delta 2 power station. $399 right here from Wellbots. Great retailer for EcoFlow products. But if you look here, I've got a code. And if you apply that code, that's going to take you down to $379.05. The other thing that's awesome about Wellbots, it depends on where you live, but most of the time you do not pay sales tax at all. So that's even more savings on top of an already great price. And then if that wasn't good enough, you also get 2% cash back in store credit that you can then spend on, cables and accessories and what have you for this. So highly recommend this through Wellbots. I'm pretty sure you won't find a cheaper price anywhere. On that same note, this is the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. Check this out, $899, but if we go back here, we apply the same code, $854.05. Absolutely insane price for the Delta 2 Max. Love it. The Wave 2 portable air conditioner and heat pump, $799, same price as Black Friday deals on Amazon. But once again, no sales tax, 2% cash back, plus coupon code right here, Simply5, $759.05 total. Awesome. A lot of you know that I love to fuss over my lawn and yard. Well, the Anderson's PGF Complete Fertilizer, which is one of the fertilizers I use the very most, is on a rare sale right now, 10% off. So be sure and check that out. Stock up so you're ready for next growing season. If you need a 12-volt, 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery that's no frills, but is just a really good, high-quality unit with great cells, look no further than the Siekon 12-volt, 100 amp hour battery. Check this out, $139.99, but my code stacks on top of it, okay? So if you use my code TRICK, it takes you down to $131.59. $131, guys, for a 12-volt, 100 amp hour battery with grade A cells. We're talking Eve cells in this unit. It's insane. So that is just a bonkers good price. Stock up now while it's this cheap. Going back to the yard care, we've got the ImoLaza Smart Sprinkler Controller. This thing is fantastic. $120 right now. That is insane. So if you ever wanted a smart sprinkler controller, now's the time to get one. That is a sweet deal right there. Going back to power stations, if you need a unit that's a little smaller than, say, the Delta 2 or the Power 1000, but want something a little bigger than the really tiny ones, this AllPowers R600 is a great option to consider. $219 list price, but once again, I've got a coupon code right there. There's a trick for that. It'll take you down to $208.05. GoldenMate released a UPS that uses lithium iron phosphate battery chemistry. It's so nice. I have one that they sent, and I'm buying 2 more with my own money because they're so good. So check this out. $227.99, but notice that there's a 30% off coupon that you can get. So if you apply that, the coupon code's Black Friday, that takes it down to $159.99. That is a smoking deal. Take advantage of that. Very cheap insurance to protect your important and sensitive electronics. If you want a lithium iron phosphate battery, 12-volt, 100 amp hour model that has a little bit of smarts built into it, the Siekon battery has no app, no nothing. This one has app control and Bluetooth, so you can get a little bit more monitoring and real-time information. This is also on sale from Redodo. Again, with my code, it takes it down to $189.99, which is a great price for a smart lithium battery. If you have a lot of plants you're planting, or in my case, a lot of fertilizer to mix together, I mix different kinds of fertilizers together to get the amazing results that I get on my lawn, these augers are super handy. They just attach to your drill and make mixing and digging holes a breeze. When I first saw this unit, I thought it was kind of gimmicky. I didn't think it would work very good, but once I got my hands on it and tried it, I was blown away, no pun intended, by what it was able to do. It is so sweet. I primarily use it when I'm camping to blow air onto my campfire, but it also works very good in cleaning applications and what have you, and we put it through a series of tests in the main video about it linked in the description below. Home security is an important aspect, and this Reolink Argus 4 Pro is awesome. It has crystal clear image quality and a huge field of view. Check out my whole test on this because it's very impressive. And then if you want the absolute best 12-volt 100 amp hour battery on the market, in my personal opinion, this GoldenMate Orion 1000 is the way to go. It's got a smart app, it's got a touch screen, it's got closed loop communications. It blew the competition out of the water in terms of capacity on my capacity tests, and it has an oversized BMS, so it can actually discharge more current than your average 12-volt 100 amp hour battery. So when you see this price, you got to factor in the 30% off. If we come down here, check this out, $229.49 with code Black Friday. That is a sweet deal on that battery. Haven't seen this cooler this cheap before. This is the Bodega 12-volt 38 quart dual zone cooler, and this is the perfect size I've found to strike a balance between good capacity with good portability. I always find myself going for this one before I go for my bigger units. Anyway, notice it's got a $20 off coupon on top of the sale price, so we're talking just barely over $200 for this. That is a sweet deal. And last but not least, we've got the Anker Solix C1000. Fantastic power station at the cheapest price I've ever seen it, $449, but it gets better. Use the code SIMPLY5 and that'll take you down to $426.55. Those are all the deals for you. Please be sure and let us know down in the comments if this was beneficial to you, or if you found any of these for cheaper somewhere else, so that way you can help other people know where to go to get the best deals. Like I said at the start, I'm pretty sure these are some of the best ones out there. This takes quite a while to go through and find the best deals for you. So if this has been valuable to you, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. And please consider using the links from this spreadsheet or down in the description to make your purchase. It does not impact you at all, but they are affiliate links and they do help benefit the channel. And I really appreciate your support. All right, we'll catch y'all next time.